Welcome to our channel. If you need to close your Chase bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly closed and your funds are transferred. Step 1. Before closing your account, ensure you have transferred or withdrawn all funds except enough to cover any pending transactions. Step 2. Stop any automatic payments, direct deposits, or recurring transfers linked to your Chase account to avoid failed transactions. Step 3. Wait for all pending transactions and checks to clear to avoid overdraft fees or complications. Step 4. For online closure, log in to chase.com and navigate to the Secure Message Center to request account closure. Step 5. Send a secure message to Chase requesting to close your account, including your account number and reason for closure. Step 6. Alternatively, call Chase customer service at the number on the back of your debit card to request account closure over the phone. Step 7. You may also visit a Chase branch in person with valid identification to close your account face-to-face. Step 8. Decide how you want to receive your remaining balance, either as a check mailed to you or transferred to another bank account. Step 9. Request written confirmation that your account has been closed and keep this document for your records. Destroy your debit card and any unused checks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.